We show you a very easy recipe to prepare delicious pretzels. To start, we heat a little milk until reaching 40 degrees Celsius. This is done over high heat for 2 or 3 minutes. Add the sugar, the yeast, separate and let stand for 10 minutes. After the time, we add the salt, butter and half of the flour. Then we mix a little with a wooden spoon. Add the rest of the flour and continue mixing until it forms a dough. Now sprinkle a little flour on a counter and knead with your hands for a couple of minutes. We take a container and smear it with a little oil inside. We place the dough and cover with a dishcloth for an hour until it rises to twice its size. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the coverage. In another container, we place the baking soda. Add the water almost to a boil and mix well until dissolved. Separate to use later. We take a baking sheet and put butter paper, then we butter or oil a little. Once the dough is leavened, place on a flat surface and cut into 6 portions. We take one of the portions and form a long cylinder the thickness of a finger. Next, we take the fine dough and make a closed horseshoe shape. For this, we take the ends and cross so that we are on top of each other. We make a single return. Then we take both ends and take into the other side to finally secure with the cylinder of the dough. We repeat the same operation for the other portions. We take each of the pretzels and immerse them in the water and baking soda solution for approximately 5 seconds. We place on the baking sheet and spread the coarse salt. We repeat for the other 5 servings. Turn the oven on to a hot temperature of 230 degrees Celsius and cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden. We can now enjoy these delicious pretzels, hot or cold.
Leave us a comment, a like or subscribe to our channel if you liked the video. Thank you for your visit.